going. There it is.
I can't see it on my camera.
Straight out.
That little dot.
The white in the sky?
There it is. It's pitching up.
Come on, climb. Climb.
Going. Straight out.
Go. I'm not getting video. Come on.
Yeah, I see it.
Go launcher one. Yeah.
Horizontal.
It's climbing. See it climbing? See the smoke trail? Go.
It's going left.
Yes.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, I think it's gonna it stopped conning. Oh no, it's still conning. Go.
There it is. It's climbing still. Come on. Still going. This is
that was it. Okay.
still going.
Still going. I don't
Looking
see.
good.
I don't see the. You see it going?
Yeah, I see it still.
Yeah, I see it.
I don't see the trail expanding.
I see it, Jake.
Release, release, release.
Copy release.
PST's ignited. Right. MCC switched to S-band.
Confirm Newton 3 engine startup.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, drop has been successful. The drop timer counted, PST's fired, and we have stage 1 engine light. We are on our way.
Max Alpha achieved.
I just heard from GNC Max Alpha achieved, which is a very stressful part of the flight. We successfully did our pitch up. Everything is going as planned, already way further than we've gone on Flight 1. This is super exciting.
Live images that you're seeing on the right-hand side of your screen from our aft
Max Q
camera
Alpha achieved.
attached to Launcher 1, but also you'll
Max
notice on the
Alpha
top left-hand
achieved
side of our
L1,
GUI,
L2.
our speed map, our acceleration map, and our altitude map starting to populate.
From GNC, I heard that we passed
Thanks,
Max
Phoebe.
Q Alpha. That is the most stressful, or one of the most stressful parts structurally on the rocket.
BBC,
So that is a
BBC,
huge
good.
success. We are on our way to space.
Stage 1 burn nominal.
A propulsion reporting nominal, as planned. GNC reporting nominal. This is about a 3-minute burn. So the next major milestone that we're expecting to hear is down throttle, and then we would have main engine cut off shortly after that.
LE3, stage 1 burn.
And just
is nominal.
incredible views from the aft-facing camera
Thanks,
that's sitting
LE3.
on stage 2 of Launcher 1. Just
Plus
incredible.
120 in the first stage looks good so far. LE1, LE2 pilots.
Awesome.
For those watching
Great
the
to
video
hear.
on the
Thanks for
left-hand side,
update.
you can see the fuel and the LOX
We had a
tanks
pretty awesome view up
emptying
here.
as we're throwing that stuff out the back to make the rocket go forwards.
All operators is LDM control room. Please continue to call out major milestones as Roxa continues its path to orbit.
I just heard our pilot call out that she has a beautiful view.
AFSS is performing nominally.
Orbit base, LE was recovered, and we are now returning to base.
Orbit base copies on level flight, returning to base.
Launcher 1's in space.
Hold. You've proc 301.
Stage set, breakwise broken.
Orbit base copy 301.
Successful stage
Newton 3 engine
set.
shutdown confirmed.
Switching to Baja Ground Station.
We are now
We
officially
are
in
now on Baja
space.
Ground Station. Newton 4 startup complete.
As we switch forward to our payload cameras, that was an amazing view from our aft camera. They're actually seeing the curvature of the Earth. We are in space. our payload separation. Our payload fairing separation, I should say.
Fairing brake wires broken.
Starbase LE2, we are stopping ARCA recording.
Starbase copy, stopping ARCA recording.
Cosmic Girl.
GNC reporting good
ignited,
TVC,
fairing
doing
separated.
explicit guidance as expected. So they are now targeting our transfer orbit, performing nominally as planned.
Outstanding.
Expecting second engine
500,000
cutoff in
feet.
about 4 minutes.
Passing through 450.
As you can see from the view on the left, all of our ground stations are reporting
We're
as
looking at
nominal.
video
Our
images of
AFSS
space.
is also nominal. Fairing has separated, obviously. Also, bus voltages are nominal.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Sounds like the blue skies went to black.